Here's a look at the NuWallpaper shiplap pattern that I put underneath the ends of my island here. So what I did was just cover the bottom of my island, and then I did wrap it around the post on either end. Now, a few things about this, it's very forgiving. So when I really zoom in here, if you get close, you can see that I didn't paper around the corner. I tried to make the seams meet, and there's a good gap as you look closely, but when you zoom out and you just kind of get a good look for it, it really blends into the natural wood grains. I'll show you what my seams look like, and mine are not all perfect, but again, a lot of these little details are hidden. So when I get very up close here, we can see that tiny bit of a gap. And keep in mind that this really takes a beating. We've got some art paint stuff splattered. My kids play, they kick under here all the time. But the overall effect now, when I'm across my house, is that I have a textured area under my island. So I really love this wallpaper. It was very easy to install, and I 100% recommend it.